All right, so you've drawn view A. Here it is. Watch this video to draw view B. So here's view A, ready to go. I orbit my screen. I can see the drawing is done. It's 25 feet by 25 feet by 25 feet with 8 foot, 8 foot, 8 foot, 8 foot triangle. So view B, I got to remove this triangle off the top. Keep these 4 lines. If there's an accident, you can undo it by going Control Z, or down here is the undo button. Control Z, undo. So view B, I gotta take this surface layer off. I can erase it. I must first select it. So it turns dotted. See that? I push delete, and now it's hollow. So view B, I gotta draw in the lines, the same triangle, but an inside triangle. Okay, inside triangle. So the outside one, let's go back to that one, had a red line and a blue line to the crisscross. Remember that? I just drew red, drew blue to the crisscross. What I want to do here, let's go back, is same thing but inside. Rather than going a red line here, or blue line here, sorry, I'm going to go red line here, as far as I have to go. I'm going to go blue line here into the crisscross. Is it blue? Yep. On edge? Yep. Half done. You can erase that little nubbin. This side, I'm drawing inside. Here'd be a blue line. Is that far enough? Don't know. Escape line, red. Good. Erase extra. And the last little bit, I have to find a view. I can just see both, but I can't, can I? If I zoom in closer, look at that. There's a corner right there and right there. So I'm going to go line from corner to corner, zoom out, orbit, and I want to get a picture of this so I can prove that yes, my line is in the corner. It is correct. It is correct. So get a good camera angle, screenshot that for view B. View B. All right. That's it.